fraction. So after negative numbers, it's fractions only. So it's very easy. Change to mixed. Very easy questions. Bacha questions, just revision. Let's do it. Question A, 7 by 3. Everyone knows how to send in mixed.
That is the most
Yes.
question.
Suppose you have to set. What are you saying, Setu?
That is the most difficult question.
Yes. Suppose you have to send 2 1 by 3 to 2 by 7 in the chat. So how will you send 2 by 7? First you will write 2, then give a space, then you write 2, then slash, then 7. This is how you send mixed fractions in the chat. First the whole number, then the space, then 2 slash 7. So quickly kids, within 1 minute, send the answer. Timer has already started. Start now. No one will take. Oh, Mr. Bambi is here. Oh my goodness.
Just send the questions and give the questions at least.
I have already given.
Sir, only one you have given.
Yes, only one. Do only one.
I thought you would give thousand.
Sandy, have you forgotten how to convert into mixed?
Sir, I know.
Acha. So Hacker, Geetal, Gorish, correct. Guys, you have to send your and Chetty, correct. Guys, you have to send your answer to Ragini ma'am. Because I am on smart board, Mr. Bambi, your answer is also correct. So Gauri, Geetal, Hacker, and Chetty. You have to send your answer.
There's so much time for this question.
All right.
Sir, I made a typing error.
So it's okay. What's your answer, Candy?
1 by 3.
What's your answer, Chippy?
Sir,
Oi, Chippy.
my answer is 2 1 by 3.
2 1 by 3 is correct. If you have forgotten, I can explain.
So no, sir, I remember.
आद्या फिर आपने आंसर नहीं दिया. Should I explain once? Adya, should I explain?
Yes, sir.
See beta, whatever number is in the numerator and whatever number is in the denominator, we divide. What we do, we divide. So when you divide 7 by 3 in your mind, you get the quotient 2 and remainder 1. Remainder quotient. तो 2 holes हैं. इसका मतलब 7 में how many holes are there? 2 holes. So you write 2 holes. Fraction में remainder first, then the denominator. We write it like this. QRD. यहाँ पे quotient लिखते हैं, फिर remainder, फिर denominator. How do we send it? First we write the whole part, then give space, then 1, then 3. So QRD. Okay. Try the B and D part. Divide करो, जो quotient है वो whole part होगा, remainder upon denominator. Understood, Adya? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, do it.
Sir, will we be repeating the same concept, sir? Will there be anything more?
Beta, just the word problems. A little bit of word problems, that's it. Word problems sometimes are tricky. That is the difference between grade. You will get fractions in grade 7 also. Not after that.
Why? Not in 8th, not in 9th, not in 10th.
For 8th, 7th and 8th, you get rational numbers.
What are those? So what are those? The ones with the
Fractions with a negative sign.
Sir, are they easy or difficult?
Adya, solve a second question, B part. Easy only.
Yes, sir, I am sending.
You can speak for the B part.
Sir, are they easy or difficult?
Easy. There are more difficult topics, but rational numbers is easy. It's just fractions with a negative sign, nothing
Which is
else.
the most difficult chapter in grade 6?
Grade 6 linear equations is the most difficult chapter.
In 7th?
Sir, in TGS would also be difficult, right?
All right, so the answers are
And oh, check.
so 4 threes are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4 3 3 by 4 and 5 3 by 5. These are the two answers. So are your answers matching?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to change from mixed to improper. So mixed to improper. All right, just change to improper I can write. Correct? I can just write change to improper.
So don't need
Change.
to write anything. Yes, sir. Because we know what to do.
You know, beta, just I have to give one or two questions for revisions. Do it, kids.
It's the most difficult question I've ever seen.
Mr. Bambi, answer is correct. Send to ma'am from next time.
So sorry, so there was a network issue. I forgot to put it back to Ragini ma'am.
Gauri, what will be my answer, Gauri? Quickly.
Sir, it will be
Gauri, you can speak.
6/2.
Beta, you have forgotten. First we multiply, then
Oh,
we add.
9/2. 9/2. 9/2.
multiply, add. Now we are changing to improper from mixed. Mixed में whole
Yeah.
भी होता है, fraction भी होता है.
So
9
that
by
I
2.
know, sir, I did the opposite. Sir, I multiplied 4/1, then added 2. I had to do the opposite. Thank you, sir.
B and C.
Sir, which is the most difficult chapter in grade 7?
Grade 7, we have exponents is difficult.
Sir, what are those?
And linear equations is okay. It is also a little bit difficult. Exponents, linear equations. In grade 7, the most difficult chapter is exponents and percentages.
Sir, what is exponents?
We write in a square, cube on top of numbers, those.
Yes.
This chapter. And sir,
Yes,
what was in grade 5?
grade 5
Sir,
for you, negative
sir,
numbers.
my
was
mistake
what
is that
okay.
I've done a typing error.
Okay. So grade 5, the negative numbers was the toughest. So Adya, what is my first answer? You can speak.
Ma'am, please check.
Adya, what is the first answer?
Sir, 13/3.
No, beta, not 13 upon 3. 3 into 5 क्या होता है? What is 3 times 5? Quickly.
15.
Plus 2.
17.
So 17 by 3. Next answer. Speak the next answer. Quickly. Quickly, beta, quickly. Speak the next
9
answer.
upon 5.
9 upon 5.
5.
Okay. So just for your memory relapse, if I write a fraction to 1 by 5, this is my whole part. And this is my fraction part. याद है सबको? Grade 3
Yes.
से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं, I think grade 3 or 4.
So 3.
3. Now, how do I represent this pictorially? If I have to represent it pictorially, what will I do? I will first make a, how to make this? So 1, then let me choose one more. This is 2, then let me choose one more. This is 3, and I should make 5 columns on it. Should make 5. So, can you tell me how much will be shaded for 2 1/5? Can you tell me, guys?
Sir, I didn't understand what you're saying.
I'm saying if I have to represent 2 1/5 pictorially, how much should be shaded?
Sir, 2 holes and 1 out of 5 parts in the last one.
2 holes and 1 out of 5 parts.
Five in the last one.
Yes, that's correct. So let me shade it for you. This will be shaded in full. 1, this, 2, and this much. So this is 2 1/5. This one. Any confusion, please ask now.
No, sir.
This is whole part, 2 holes shaded and 1/5 shaded. We have been learning this since grade 3, so I think we know it very well. Next question is express the function in lowest terms. So express fractions in lowest terms. So we all remember this? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Simplify, cutting. You have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number.
Yes, we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number, because we can multiply by the same number, we can divide by the same number, as far as the new number are same what we are dividing or multiplying.
Then what if we don't simplify completely? We get an arrow.
Yes. Ma'am, if they don't simplify completely, please give them an L. Is Ruhan present or absent?
Sir, present.
Present. So we can divide this by 5. So 5 6 are 30, 5 10s are 50.
Sir,
So we can just straight away
do
it
by
by
cutting
2.
the zeros.
Ruk jao. I can do it with 2, so I will get 10 divided by 2 is 5. Or I can straight away divide by 10 and get 3 by 5 in one step. So what my question to you guys is, what is this 10? If you know the answer, raise your hand.
So could
What
you repeat the question?
is 10 in this number, in this fraction?
Sir,
Which
I know. Sir,
allowed me,
sir,
which allowed me to simplify in one step, which allows us to simplify in step. 1 second, 1 second. Simplify in one step. One step. So who wants to answer? Yes, Geetal.
So it's the HCF of the fraction.
Ariza. You are mute, Peter.
So 10 3s are 30, 10 5s are 50.
Yes, beta, but 10 is the HCF of 30 and
sir,
50.
it is the.
So
Oh, sir,
it
please.
is the HCF. So Geetal gave the correct answer. If you have to simplify a fraction in one step, so we can divide the numerator and denominator with the HCF. This concept will not be required for your school maths or maybe Olympiad also, but this is a good concept to have, that how come 10 gives you the correct answer only in one step? What is this 10? 10 is actually the HCF of the numerator and denominator. And if your teacher is good in concepts, or he or she can give it in objective type any day or in any exam. All right. So next, let's go to the B and C part. So you have to give the answer of both these. You have to simplify in lowest term. Just try to do it in one step, like I told you, and see that the number you use to divide the numerator and denominator would be nothing but its HCF. Geeta, you remember from the last class I told you this? Or you knew by yourself?
So I remember you told me.
Very good, Geeta.
Sir, in the second answer, I accidentally put something before the answer, sir. How to edit it?
Beta, you can delete the answer. Geetal and Goresh, guys, you have to promise me one thing. Whatever the classes have been done, you
Yes,
will
sir.
go through the recordings.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Geetal and Goresh, I'll be asking you every day that how many recordings you went through. So should I give you a call tomorrow?
Sir, is it possible you can give it the day after tomorrow? Or it's okay. So can you give it
No,
like around
tomorrow is a
7:30?
gap, but you have to go through at least one recording.
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell your mom which recording you need to go through. You go through
Yeah.
that recording first.
Mama was selling today also to like server selling to do the recording. Thank you.
So Zapman, Adya, and Gauri beta, when two questions are given, send in one message only. So Zapman, what is the first answer? Hacker, you can
Okay.
send your second answer once again.
Sir, I was solving this second question first.
What is the first answer? You give the first answer.
I've not done it yet.
Oh beta, this is like a lot of time. Chalo, do it quickly. I'm giving you a minute more. Do it quickly.
Sir, 4/5.
4/5. Hacker, what mistake you did in the next one?
Sir, I got 3/5.
3/5. I'll come to it. Adya, do you know this concept or no? Easy. What about your mistake in the first one?
Sir, I didn't know what I did, but I did it again. Now I got 4/5.
Okay. So Adya, do you know this concept? बेटा आपको आता ही है? So hacker, one table I have told you to learn is of 25. So
Yes.
dividing 75 with which number will give, which if you
3/5.
notice we can do. Yes, और कैंडी आप भी बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगा रहे थे. You did not do it with 25. As soon as you do see
Sir, I
numbers
did.
like 25. तो जैसे ही आपको numbers दिखें 25, 50, 75, 100, 200, it must automatically click to you that these numbers are divisible by 25 and you must try dividing them by 25 for the easier calculation. Or if you notice here, 25 threes are 75 and 25 fours are 100. So the answer would be 3/4. Got it, kids? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
So how do we, next concept is comparison of fractions. How do we compare fractions? There are multiple ways.
Sir, how many
Yes,
cells are there?
let's see how many ways are there.
I need to go use the washroom.
70. I have got 5 by 17. Beta, cleaning of washroom will be done during the break time or after class. So I have 10 by 17 and 5 by 17. Which one is greater?
10 by
10 by
17.
10 by
5 by
17. So because they were like fractions, so we can directly compare the numerator. 5 by 17 कौन बोला?
Sir, chatty.
Chatty? भूल गए आप बेटा? These are like fractions.
Yes.
See, let me show you. मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया था that this is 2 by 5 and this is 4 by 5. So which one is greater according to you? 2 by 5 or 4 by 5?
4 by 5.
4 by 5, of course. Now, what does this denominator tells me? ये denominator मुझे बताता है, क्या बताता है भाइयों? क्या बताता है? Speak up.
Sir, how much in total there is?
So how many? No, not
Total.
Total value.
no. So
Yes.
भाइयों और बहनों, ये
One
हमें
whole,
जो
one
5
whole.
है, ये
One
हमें
whole.
5 है, ये क्या बताता है भाइयों और
One
बहनों?
whole, one whole.
So this tells us how many parts we have done of the whole. कितने parts में divide किया है मैंने whole को? All right. So when you get 2 parts, your number is more. When you get 4 parts, your number is even more. So if you know the whole, then you must try to get more parts out of it. Now next one, when the numerators are same. So which one would be greater?
Sir, can I tell?
Speak up, guys.
Sir,
Yes,
five
no,
by
no, not
eight.
you.
5, 8,
So
5,
we
8, 5,
convert
8,
them
5,
into
5
like
by 8.
5, 8,
fractions.
5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8.
Who is Hitansh? Mr. Bambi.
Sir, I know it's common sense
Mr.
that 5
Bambi,
over
beta,
8 is greater, sir, but
when the
we'll.
numerator is same, means आप इसको same numerator को when you divide by a smaller number, then you get more.
Yes,
So
sir, I
5
know that,
divided
sir,
by
but in the
8,
school we'll have to first make them into like fractions.
absolutely wrong. CBSE बोर्ड, ICSE बोर्ड, IGCSE बोर्ड, मैं आपको सारी बुक्स में दिखा दूंगा where they have given this concept कि when numerators are same, then you can compare the fractions directly. मैं grade 3 में भी दिखा दूंगा बेटा. I am teaching from grade 3 to grade 12, so I know about all schools, all boards, everything what is written in your book and your coming books. Okay, Mr. Bambi,
Yes, sir.
I hope I have made myself clear.
Sir, what
Sir,
is
you
the
have made yourself
equivalent
clear.
fractions? Sir, what do we do with the
Yes,
equivalent? Sir, what do we do with their equivalent fractions? Like 1 by
beta,
2.
then they are equal. Then they are equal. So Candy, may
Then
I have your
directly
eyes
like
on the screen? May I have the pleasure of having your all the eyes on the screen? All the 4 eyes on the screen. Okay, guys.
Sir, the
So
other
next
two,
one,
which are the glasses of the specs.
I don't know. She must be knowing.
Oh my god.
Now, which one is greater? So Candy will tell this. Which one is greater?
Sir, can you please go wash my hand? My pen leaked.
Okay, fine.
4 1 by
Yes.
17.
4 1 by 17. So when you have a mixed fraction, then you can just compare the whole part and know which one is greater. Do you agree? The guy,
Yes.
I'm sorry, the guy I didn't mention about Ivy board. All right.
Sure, it's okay. I know enough about IB board already. Actually, I don't know anything, but it's completely fine by me.
So you are the guy, right?
The
The
guy.
guy. The guy.
Yes,
Yes,
hey.
sure, guys. So you miss the every time.
Yes, yes, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, but then
Now
again,
the
I miss that.
next way of comparison is what? Cross multiplication. So which is cross multiplication.
So we multiply the numerator with the denominator and the other numerator with the denominator. This
So
cross
how many of you don't remember this method? Raise your hands. So Scooty does not remember this method.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So,
I
okay.
remember.
Okay. So we have 2 by 5 and 3 by maybe 7. So what we do, we multiply like this. पहले मैं 7 into 2 से multiply करूंगा. What will I get?
Sir, 14.
What will I get,
14.
guys?
14. 15.
14. Then मैं 5 into 3 से
15.
करूंगा.
15.
What will I get?
15.
15. So which one is greater, 15 or 14?
15.
15. So this is greater than.
So 3 by
See,
7.
I'll tell you the denominator will be get multiplied to the numerator, and you write below this. This is very important, otherwise you will get confused. You write the multiplication below the fractions. Are we getting it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Are we able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
hear a big yes, a loud yes from you guys?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
sir.
thank you, thank
Yes,
you, thank
sir.
you.
Now
thank
can I go, please?
Where, beta, where?
The washroom.
Why do you want to wash the room during the class time?
Sir, because I like doing it.
He likes to
See,
clean.
Mr. Hitansh, on your special request, I am allowing you to wash the room and I am giving a 4-minute break.
if you like doing that, you
You
can
can
come
start
and go.
sharing.
From next time, please schedule going to the washing the room after the class minutes break. Take it.
Sir, can you allow share screening?
You can annotate on this.
Do anything.
Sir, Tian and Anna was trying to play the whole break, but he did not let us.
My goodness, Satu, why do you do like that?
Sir,
You
I
should.
whisper also.
All right. So what were we discussing? Yeah, the cross multiplication method. Yes, maths. So you have to give which one is greater. Try solving by cross multiplication. Try solving by cross multiplication.
Which ones? Three.
Don't take more than a minute. I forgot to start the time.
Which guy are you today?
I'm just I because it's caps. So
You can keep
Guys, hurry up quickly.
very original. My name is today.
Can I just send the bigger fraction?
It
Yes.
doesn't matter lost guy or plain guy or normal guy.
I should do normal guy soon, but today was hectic because I came back to school after like a
All right. So Adhya, Chippy, and Ruhan. So we will cross
Sir, I was
multiply.
getting confused in which
But
one
let
is
me
big.
explain. So 15 तभी तो मैंने बोला था कि उसके नीचे लिखना. 15 times 3 gives you 45. And 7 times 11 gives you 77. So which one is bigger?
So
Tell me.
definitely 11 by 50. That can be done orally also.
Yes, beta,
Yes,
let
sir.
them answer, beta. Satu, let the ones who got wrong answer. So Ruhan and Chip and Adya understood why this will be greater, why 11 by 15 would be greater.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, let's do two more questions.
Isn't three?
So
Sir, I have a
what will we
question
do
that.
after 2 more
Then
questions?
what, Rohan, what are you saying?
Sir, but isn't 3 by 7 bigger because it is multiplying with 7 is multiplying with 11?
Beta, we don't see that. We just see 7 यहाँ पे आया ना. So this will become 77 here.
Oh, okay, got it.
77 is greater than 45.
Got it.
Next question, 9 by 10 or 2 by 3. Which one is greater? Write it down. So Adya, send your answer quickly.
Yes, sir.
So 3 times 9 gives me 27. 10 times 2 gives me 20. So which one is greater, Rohan and Chippy?
Sir, 9 by
Sir,
10.
the thing that I'm not able to understand is that when I multiply, I don't know that I have multiplied. This part is correct. After that, I'm not able to understand which one is greater because
बेटा ये जैसे देखो ये 9 ऊपर है ना तो 3 is coming to 9. 9 is not going anywhere. 3 is coming to 9. So here the numerator becomes 27 and here the numerator becomes 20. Okay, Rohan and Chip.
yes, sir, understood.
Now you understood. Now let me
Yes.
explain how this works. So can anyone tell me the reason why this method works? Can anyone tell me the reason? Who can tell me the reason why this method works?
Sir, I think I can.
Yes, Setu.
Because it's
Because the numerator comes among the denominator, and the bigger the numerator is, and the smaller the denominator.
Why it comes, beta? Why it comes? That's why my question. Now, why it comes?
This method works because
What is the reason behind this method working and giving you the correct answer? The guy hacker. May I have your two eyes with on the screen? Thank you, hacker. So who will tell me? All right, no one. So let me tell you. You know that we can convert fractions into what? Like fractions. So let me multiply this with 3 by 3. So I get 27 by 30, right? And let me multiply this with 10 by 10. So I get 20 by 30. So which one is greater, 27 or 20?
so we
We
just
were
cut it
getting
into
this.
half.
We were getting 27 is greater. So we got the same fractions. Just when we cross multiply, we get the numerator directly. What do we get? We get the numerator directly. Got it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when we use the cross multiplication method, we are basically changing the numerator as we change in like fractions. All right. Do this question C part and excuse me for a minute. What is the C part? 5 by 6 or 8 by 11? Do the C part. All right, guys, let's do this one. 5 by 6 or 8 by 11. So, who got it? Everyone got it correct. Adya, what's my answer? Miss
8,
Adya, what's? Yeah?
8 upon 11.
8 upon 11 is wrong, beta. We multiply 11 into 5. We get 55. क्या आता है 55? Then we multiply 6 into 8. We get 48. So 55 is greater than 48. So 5 by 6 is greater than 8 by 11. Remember, 11 is going to the numerator on the other side. 5 is not going anywhere. 5 is changing to 55 and 8 is changing to 48. Okay, Adya? Now the next question, I don't want you to apply the like fractions technique. You think of a method that will help you solve it. So on your own, you have to find the biggest fraction out of these.
Can you repeat what were you saying?
I'm saying, beta, you don't have to, you have to choose. Let me tell you, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. Let me complete. See what I'm saying. See, kids. So now you have to, one method is converting to like fractions. Converting to like fraction. This method everyone knows, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone knows this. Is there anyone who
Yes.
doesn't know this method? कोई है guys जिसे नहीं आता हो ये method?
So can you just
Anyone?
explain once again?
I will explain this converting to like fraction. जैसे मेरे numbers हैं 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 7 by maybe 12. So what we do, we take LCM.
12.
LCM is 12. Then I multiply 2 by 3 with 4 by 4 because I want 12 in the LCM. Same method like we use in adding and subtracting fractions. So I got 8 by 12.
Okay,
Then
sir.
5 by 6 I will multiply with 2 by 2. I will get 10 by 12. And 7 by 12 remains this only. So this is my smallest. This number 1. This is my number 2. This is my number 3. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, 10 by 12 is the largest number.
Yes. 10 by 12 is the largest number. So this method, so can you guys tell me when will we use converting to like fractions?
When there are more than two numbers.
And when will we use cross multiplication?
Cross multiplication with two numbers and like fractions with more than two numbers.
Yes, so for more than 2, we can use converting to like, and for 2, we can use.
So, but for adding and subtracting fractions also, even if they're two numbers, we can use this method.
Then तो बेटा adding और subtracting में तो यही use होगा.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
In comparing fractions. Let me write it. In comparing fractions. For more than 2, we use converting to like fractions.
So maybe also write this down.
You can write it, you can understand. And for 2, we use cross multiplication. It's nothing, कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है. Sometimes we use cross multiplication in more than 2 also, जब बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब numbers हो, बड़े numbers हो. Now let me give you one question which I was giving this one.
So
You have to compare these 4 numbers and you have to find the easiest way to compare. I'm not saying you to cross multiply. I'm not saying you to make the denominator same. You can use any method, but it should be simple.
But there is no other method.
You can use a combination. So you have to find the
There are
greatest.
other methods.
The question is find the greatest.
sir, the all the denominators are prime numbers.
Yes, that's why converting them to like is not a very good idea.
That's what I was thinking.
So, why is converting them to like not a good idea?
Because beta all the denominators are prime numbers. अगर आप convert करने बैठोगे, so the LCM would be 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 29.
Yes.
So that's sent the answer.
So sent you my answer.
You sent the wrong one.
All right, Gaurish, it's correct. I don't know how you did so quickly, but it's correct.
Please check. Please check. Sir, did mom receive my message? I'll send it again. I've sent since a long time.
Beta, you can send again. So sometimes messages are missed.
Wrong. Mm. Sorry, sir, did a calculation mistake in my mind.
The guy, Rohan, Mr. Bambi.
So this
Sir
should
said,
be the
sir,
question.
probably wrong.
Sir, almost done. I'm just on the final step of sending it.
So, can you just explain
take me a long time.
All right, let me explain.
Sir, wait,
What
sir,
we
I've
do-
said, sir, I've said.
Okay, so what we do first, we take two sets of numbers. So Chip and Candy, which one is greater in 2 by 3 and 4 by 5?
4 by 5.
Sir, 4 by 5.
Candy, which one is greater in 2 by 3 and 4 by 5?
Sir, 4 by 5.
4 by 5. Because 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 2, 10. So this is greater. Yes, so 4 by 5 is greater. Then let me write 4 by 5 only. I am writing the greater one only. Then out of these, which one is greater? The next block.
Then
Sir,
22 by 29.
9 by 13.
22 by 29.
So
Sir, I
29 times 9 is 261. And 22 times 13 is what?
So what is the actual name of this method?
Yes. 22 by 29 is
26.
greater.
So what's the
Correct?
name of this method?
Cross multiplication.
With a cross multiplication only.
Oh,
So which one is greater? 22 by 29. Now you compare this 29 times 4.
But sir, you said don't do any method like cross multiplication or like.
5.
Beta, I said don't use converting to like fractions. I said that. It will be 116 and 20 10. So
Then
4 by 5 is greater.
So we can do normal multiplication.
Yes. So what now you're yes, now this is cross multiplication method. Now your question should be, is this method allowed in school? So yes, this method is allowed in school. In CBSE, ICSE, IB, IGCSE allowed in all boards. Okay, you can use this method without any problem. All right, now there is one more method, but that I'll not explain you because that is only for Olympiad. That I'll explain you in during when we do the Olympiad class. Okay. So what else going on, kids? We have completed the concept. We can talk for 2 minutes. What else going on?
Sir, can you just let screen share?
No. So and Chip, belated
Sir.
happy birthday.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
What was the return gift?
tomorrow is Goddess Radhu's birthday.
That's great. What is Radhu? That's great. Yes, Chip, which is the best gift that you
It's Goddess Radhu's birthday and I have to go.
so you tell me which is the best gift that you got?
The best gift that I got is I don't know. I liked all of them.
What did Dheeraj gift you?
Sir Dheeraj gave me money.
Dheeraj, but you didn't even invite him to your birthday.
The thing is that I celebrated my birthday only with my parents and my chachu chachi. I just went to Chandigarh. I did not do anything special. That's the only reason.
You could have done anything special. There are two blanks. This is the first blank. This is the second blank. Both the answers in one message.
The number
Not a
is
very
same.
tough question. There are
The
two.
number
No
is
number
same.
will be different. Number will be different, no?
If it will be same, the answer wouldn't be 64.
Yes.
Then I think I found a shortcut.
All right, Mr. Membi. All right, Ruhan. For next class, we'll do number line. So keep your mobile phone ready for number line.
Your number line, so
What
why
do
do
you
we
mean
need a phone?
ready?
Number line for represent fractions.
Sir, why do we
Okay, sir.
Sir, why do we need phone?
So
Yes,
that you can send me the image of your number line. That is why.
Oh.
All right, guys. So look here.
I'll send it to you on the chat.
Okay. Yes, it's correct.
Please send
So-
the
There's
second
another
answer.
thing.
Okay, okay, guys. So see, 1 we are multiplying with 2. So 4 also will be multiplied with 2 because as per the rule, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. The number cannot be different.
Oh, simplification.
Now we are multiplying with 8. So here also I will multiply with 8. So I will get 16. So got it, hacker
Sir, I
and
made a
chat
typing error.
Yes, sir.
UI. Got it? Yes or no, guys? So I think that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy. Have a
Bye,
nice
sir.
time.
Thank you,
Hi,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, kids.
Bye, sir.
So Gorish and Geetal stay back. They have left.
Yeah, no,
Stay
no,
back.
sir. I'm back.
So bye, guys. Rest. Everyone can leave. Bye, guys.